All right, guys, swap meet at Scobee Field, 2022. Time to sell. We got a lot of people here selling all the planes and stuff, and I'm still selling everything. This time, yeah, hope everything gets sold. So that's about it, man. Hopefully that. I'm still gonna get rid of this Viper 500 because they don't make the Viper 500 anymore. It's replaced by Quick V6. I've been looking for this great planes, Quick V6 for 5 years. So, and I'm still looking for it. I'm gonna find a good used Great Plains Quick V6, Quick 500, the one's in great shape. So it's about 200 bucks, good deal. And all I'm gonna do, take out the OS 46 AX and put a Sport Jet 50 in it, the one that's rebuilt. And then boom, there you go. Let's go look around, guys. Here we go. We got Fitz in the house. What's up, Fitz? How you doing, Fitz?
All right.
It's good to see you, man.
Good to see you too.
You been flying lately?
Oh yeah, I'm flying a bunch.
That's good, man. Have you been on the news yet?
On the news?
Yeah, we're gonna be on the news. Go viral.
That's
go
usually
viral.
Not a good thing being on the news.
Yeah, you're right. Never mind. Yeah. I mean that's just me. Fitz. That's just
all
me.
right, it's all you.
I'm gonna go viral.
I've been on the news a couple times.
Oh, you did good.
Yeah,
that's
for
good.
Good things.
That's good though. That's good. Not long as not no bad thing. You good.
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
No. So that's good. That's good. Now I'm trying to get rid of everything, man. I'm trying to sell it. I've been looking for that Great Plains Quick V6 for a long time, man. I've been looking for that Quick V6 for 5 years. Yeah, Great Plains Quick V6, Quick 500, Pilot Racer plane. Yeah, I've been looking for it for 5 years, man. Hopefully it's a good used one for about 200 bucks. I just had that Sport Jet 50 rebuilt by Dub Jet.
Really?
I got it rebuilt. I just got it back 2 weeks ago. Yep, just got it back. I got a new carburetor, and then the piston in the sleeve is rebuilt by Dub Jet.
Oh, nice.
Yep.
Busy.
So it's good to go. Here it is, guys. Let's go look around, guys. Oh, we got helicopters for sale. Helicopters. Let's go search for that Quick V6. Ooh, Venus 2. I remember this plane. Venus 40. Raptor 30. What? Another Raptor 30. What?
Yeah, it's got your name on it, dude.
Oh man, I'm just selling my Raptor 30, man. I'm looking for that JR 590 3D. The big size. Hey, how you doing? It's good to see you. Oh, my hand's full. So sorry about that, man. Hey, Phil.
Man.
Long time to see, man.
Been a long time.
I know, man. I've been at Top Gun.
All right.
Yeah, finally went to Top Gun, man. Finally. I met all the Team Horizon guys.
Cool.
I met Ali Machinchi, the Team Horizon owner.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Let me ask you, let me tell you, this gentleman here has got this estate sale stuff, and he's not up on it. So the helicopters, you could give some information on it and see what it might be worth. Do him a favor as far as looking at this. So he wants to sell what he's got there.
Oh, okay, I got you. I got a Raptor 30 also. I'm trying to get rid of it.
Yeah. Just
Look for something new. Look for some new helicopters.
Be worth, if anything.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to get rid of everything.
Yeah, I know that guy.
Yeah, I bought me a first jet.
All right.
Yeah, I got me a first jet finally. Yeah, I got the Black Horse L39 Albatross. I'm trying to get it going. It's great shape too. 2020.
Yeah.
2020. Trey, there you go, Trey.
How are you, buddy?
Doing good, man.
How you doing?
I know.
Oh, Trey, I still have you staying. Okay. Got the Rich's Brew. Oh yeah, that's a good fuel right there. Rich's Brew by Randy Rich. Those are the best racing fuel right there. Great job, Randy Rich. Oh, I forgot. I'm a sponsor by Rich's Brew.
So hey, did you get that jet going?
No, I still haven't got it going. Because I still been having an issue about that brake. I tried to look for the brake.
Yeah.
I couldn't find the brake. It's got the module in it.
Yeah.
I couldn't get it to work.
Oh.
Yeah, I couldn't. So that's why I still have you stand. I've been having you stand about a month.
No more.
It's been sitting in my room.
Okay. Yeah, see, that's what I wanted. They were trying to sell that.
Yeah. Let me pause it for quick, guys. All right, we're back after these messages. Look what we got here, guys. There it is, the 2020, 2021 Piranha Plug and Play. Yes. That was a good flyer right there. And this one, you can put an FPV on it, on 6S. Oh, I'm sorry. I was saying you were so sorry. I'm so excited about
Keep
this
advertising.
Yeah, can I take a look at it real quick?
Of course.
There she is, man. There she is.
Hey guys, get on up here. Don't be back.
And it's in good shape too. There it is. This came out in 2021. Yeah, this came out in 2021. This came out last summer. I've been talking about this for a year. And this is a good flyer too. This is a good flyer.
The wire.
And the top speed, 140 miles per hour. Same speed as the V1200.
Discount.
The color I want baby blue, white, and orange.
Of course you do. I ordered the
Yeah,
wrong
it
color.
costs about $200.
I forgot.
Yeah,
about
it's about $200. Yeah, and then the price
Hey,
went up.
Mark, that's your dead ringer, man. Feels just like you. What about the other two? They look like you too?
you. No.
Oh, so they're lucky?
Milkman.
So they're lucky?
Yeah.
They got lucky? Oh, buddy.
Yeah, I'll stick. Anyway, I'll stick it right here. Yeah, this is where you can put FPV. All right, there you go, guys. There's only two colors. They got a yellow and then the orange. And that's about it, guys. Yeah. It looks like green, guys. It looks like green. But it's yellow, but it looks like green. Just saying, guys. Just saying. Just saying. Anyway, let's go around. They check out this hot boo right here.
How's it going?
I'm doing good. Oh, yeah, look at this hot boo right here. Yes.
Yeah.
Get a shot of this.
I mean, everything with the spare parts. Is it broken?
This is a brand new. The only thing
I think I would do it.
Aero Scout, the trainer plane. There it is. Stinger 90. We're on the plug and play.
brand new. You've never seen fuel.
25.
Make me an offer. I'll be
The new P47. Hanging out P47.
Hey,
Oh, that canopy kind of loose. Or the canopy not screwed in yet.
Oh, there's another 60. You need an ESC?
There it is. Hey! What's up?
What's up, my friend?
Time to sell, baby.
Yeah, yeah.
All about selling, making money.
Wholesale.
Yeah. That's a good one. Kevin Peavy, the Flywire Boys exclusive.
Hey, what's going on?
You ready to start sell? You ready to sell? Yeah, I'm trying to get rid of everything. See, look, I'm trying to get rid of all that. Get rid of about the 30, get rid of my little P51 Mustang and the Viper 500. And I just bought those servos, brand new, for my Delta 40. I bought the wrong ones, and I'm selling them all. I spent $200 for all the servos, 6 servos.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I spent $200 last week. I just got it last week. Brand new.
Brand new.
Yeah, it's never been open. I opened one of them to see it's gonna fit.
Yeah.
It's too small. It's the wrong size.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to sell it and get the right servos. I just got it from Tire Hobbies.
Hey.
Yep. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and look around. I'm still looking for that. Remember that Quick V6?
Yeah.
I'm still looking for it. Okay. I've been looking for that for 5 years, man. How you doing? Good to see you.
How you doing,
Good to
Steve?
see you all. John, right?
John.
I keep mixing up people's names. I'm so sorry.
No,
bro.
that's all right. That's
Yeah,
all right.
sometimes my mind goes other way and my mind goes to
My man's already
it
gone.
happens. How the
I just
16 IC doing?
It's
Good?
good.
That's good, man. No problem.
No
signal problems. Good.
just hanging on to it.
Oh, that's good. They last for a long time. My 32 MZ is doing good. I had it back because I thought I had a signal loss on my Yak 3U steadfast. It wasn't the radio locked out. The receiver battery died.
Well, that'll do it.
Yeah, when I flew my new P47 with the 32 MZ, I flew 11 times, no more signal loss. So my 32 MZ is fine. but my speaker's out. One of my speakers went out. I gotta take it back in the shop. Yeah, but I'm not gonna take it in the shop for a while until I get a 16.9 ZH for backup. And then I'm gonna take it in the shop. And then after that, and then I'm gonna sell it and give me another one. That's what I'm gonna do. Team photographer, baby. Oh, be hit. Let me see what we got here. Really quick V6. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's a monocoat covering, guys. You need covering right here. Here's all the coverings. You can get all the monocoats. All the monocoats. You can need baby blue. Yeah, I've been looking for that color for a long time. Baby blue. You can do the whole monocoat. Yeah. Yeah, I'm good at those monocoats, baby. You gotta do it right. Damn, no quick V6 here. Got electric planes, all electric, Sequoia.
That one no wing. You could hand launch it and let it fly.
What, this one? Hey, F-27C Striker. I remember the old school plane. Yeah, old school. Well, that plane? No, you can't launch that. That plane you can launch it.
That one hand launch. There's no wing.
Nah. It's got a ring. It's got a ring. It's got a ring. Oh, shoestring.
Yeah.
I remember that shoestring. Yeah.
That one $50. So the what's is that 3 years or what?
$50 ain't bad. Yeah, it's 3 years. 3 years. You can do 4 years.
The small one.
Yeah, you can do 4 years.
4 years.
It's an F-27C Striker. Yeah, old school. Yeah, you know how old that plane? That plane 15 years old, man. It's 07. It came out in 06.
Oh.
Yeah, it came out in 06. That plane on 16 years old. Yeah, but I got mine in 2007. Yeah, 4S will fit. You got to change the motor and the ESC. You got to change the ESC. Yeah, you got to change the ESC though to do 4S. If you don't change the ESC, if you use stock ESC in 4S, it'll burn out. It'll burn out, and it'll go about 120 miles per hour. Glenn, steady, Glenn, steady, Glenn, come power. What's up, Glenn? Hey, did you get your new guns yet?
Yeah.
You got a new gun?
Yeah.
Good. Good. Remember you lost it? Remember you lost it?
Boating that thing, yeah.
Dude,
Solid.
that's something. I know you was so upset. You sad, huh? Yeah, I'll be crying. Hey, sorry to hear that, man. Yeah, I'm glad you got you another one. There you go, man. That's what you do, man. Oh, there's John Keller in the house. What's up, John Keller? Bucky's dad in the house.
Yeah,
it's good to see you, man.
How you doing?
My favorite person.
Find any good deals out there?
Oh, no, not really. I've been looking for that Great Plains Quick V6, but it's not here.
Great Plains what?
The Quick V6, Quick 500, the Pilot Racer plane.
No, that's because
Yeah, but it's not here. I've been looking for it. It's not here. But it's okay, though. Moving on.
you spent $5.
Look at Hingry. We got Hingry in the house.
Moving on.
Moving on. Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to get rid of everything. For the Aero 60. You could have started up an Aero 60. What did I tell you about that? Dang, see? I'm making everybody laugh right there. For the Nexus 46. We could have started up a Nexus 46.
You know what?
Giant Extra 330L. You remember this plane? The Giant Extra 330L kit. Yeah, old school. 2001. Giant Great Plains, Giant Extra 330L. I remember I wanted this plane 21 years ago in 2001. Here it is, man. This plane is 21 years old, brand new in the box, but it's a problem. It's a kit. You got to glue all the sticks together, but that's okay though. Ain't somebody?
Hey, bro, how you doing?
What's up? That's your new plane? Yeah. This is the plane I want.
Yeah, it's
250. Do you like to buy?
250? Oh, nah. That
4K camera.
That plane $200. Let me see.
yeah. You saw it flying. You saw it flying. Remember? I told you to give me the favor to make me the favor to.
Oh, I haven't seen it fly. I haven't seen it fly. Yeah,
No, it was sold.
So there it is,
We're
man.
selling 250. Would you like?
No, I just sold one for
There it is.
I got it for 150. Well, 160.
Yeah, they play $200 brand new in the box last year.
With this,
I sold it.
See?
camera.
This the color I want. This is the color I
I
want.
got a yellow one. And
Yeah.
when it's coming down, I cannot see
There
it.
it is,
Did
man.
you set it up the air brake?
Yeah.
The brake.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. Yeah.
Yeah, Here you go.
160 is a deal. I would buy it from you for 200 if you want.
Yeah.
told you, man.
Trim it up just a little bit. Leave on high rates. Yeah, if you want to leave on high rates, yeah, you can leave on high rates all you want. See, brings it back. See.
This looks so fun.
Mm-hmm.
It is. Oh man.
See?
Are you finna land? Are you finna land?
All right, let me land before it runs out of battery.
Yeah.
All right, let me bring it back.
Yeah, no, man. Like
You see? It still got plenty of power.
What did you press right now?
I'm trimming it out.
Plane is about to come in for a landing.
Yeah, it's a little wind. The wind is a little bumpy.
Look at that.
Yeah, I gotta make them adjustment on the nose wheel. The nose wheel's way off.
Look at my plane. Oh man, that's what's up. That's what's up.
How long is this battery do now?
It lasts about 15 minutes.
I just get a bigger battery, man.
Yeah,
Flying for 15, 20 minutes.
Less than the regular drone.
there it is, man.
And that's my plane.
Yeah, that was